Well, hello. I want to introduce myself. I'm Clayton Holznagel, and what I want to show you today and demonstrate is a new product, patent pending, that is coming to the market. It's called an aqueous product applicator, otherwise known as an APA. The APA is machined out of a solid block of aluminum, brass nozzles, stainless and brass valves. There's no plastic on this part. Designed for the contractor, the landscaper, the cement finisher, forester, pest control or herbicide professional, and the homeowner. The APA is attached to a fluid supply source. This will be connected to the APA with the ease of a quick disconnect. The APA is then attached very easily to the end of the leaf blower by just a couple wing screws. Simply slips on a slight snug fit, and I have now attached the APA to the air supply source. So now I'm going to demonstrate how we apply the product to foliage. I'm going to turn the leaf blower on. I'm going to open the valve slightly, and you will see the product coming out. Typically, a mist blower has a very fine particle size, and with the force of a motorized mist blower, it's going to be driving that product further into the wood line. It may be causing some drift, and it may not always be put on target. I've designed the APA to have a larger droplet size. The APA with a little larger droplet size is easier to control. The droplets go to the target, reducing the chance of unwanted drift in areas that obviously you don't want to treat. Well, what I'm going to demonstrate now is a typical habitat for ticks. Ticks like the taller grass. So what I'm going to demonstrate for you cement finishers and contractors that are either spraying release form or sealing a garage floor that has just been poured, we will demonstrate the spray pattern on a driveway here. I hope you enjoyed our video today, the multiple demonstrations that we did.